Hello, guys. I hope you all are doing well. So, guys, today my topic is about USA car insurance, like auto insurance. First, guys, I will tell you like coverage generally. Well, it's a in coverage generally. Consumer may be protected by the different level of coverages depending on which insurance policy they purchase. Coverage is sometimes seen in 20, 40, 15 to 100, 13, 300 and 100. The two numbers seen are for the medical coverage. In the 100 by 300 example, the policy will pay $1,000, $1 lakh per person up to $3 lakh total for all people. The last number covers property's damage. This property damage can cover the other person, vehicle, or anything that you hit and like damage as a result of accident. So guys, in some states you must purchase personal injury protection, which cover all medical bills, time lost at work, and many other things. They will give you benefits of this insurance. You can also purchase insurance if the other driver does not have the insurance, is underinsured. Most, if not all, state required drivers to carry mandatory liability insurance coverage to ensure that their driver can cover the cost of damage to people or property in the event of an accident. Some states, such as Wisconsin, have more flexible proof of financial. If you live in USA, in Wisconsin state. So, guys, now I will tell you insurance providers. In the United States in 2017, guys, the largest private passenger vehicle insurance provider in the term market share with State Farm, Geico, and Progressive Corporation. They are like insurance providers. They give you a good insurance, auto insurances. So guys, I hope you are listening my this lecture carefully. So guys, I will tell you some public policy consideration in United States. In United States, guys, automotive insurance covering liability for injuries and property damage is compulsory in most states, but different states enforce the insurance requirement differently. Like in Virginia, where insurance is not compulsory. If you live in Virginia, the insurance is not compulsory. Resident must pay the state $500 annual fee per vehicle if they choose not to buy liability insurance. This one is like a good one. If you, I will suggest you, if you go to USA, you must have to live in Virginia. Penalties for not purchasing insurance vary by state, but often include a substantial fee, fine, license and registration, suspension or revocation, and possible jail time. Well, guys, usually the minimum requirement by law is third party insurance to protect third parties against the financial consequences of loss, damage, injuries caused by a vehicle. So guys, if you live in USA, you have to make your car vehicle insurance because it's much good for you as well as your life. So guys, so I will tell you the USA policies table and how you like when you open the insurance, car vehicle insurance, when you make. So understand the table, guys. So it's like there is bodily injury limit per individual. like bodily injury limit per accident. Property damage limit, for example, limit of 25, 50, 20 means after an accident each person injured would receive a maximum of up to 25,000 with only 50,000 allowed per accident. Example, two people needing 25,000. If the need is more, such as three people needing 25,000, then whoever files first gets first access to the 50,000 limit, and you may be issued for the rest if the accident was your fault. The last number refers to the total coverage per accident for property damage, which in the case would be to 20,000. Guys, so I hope you will get my points and you enjoy my video. So guys, please don't forget the bell icon button and don't forget the subscribe. Please subscribe my channel. See you on the next video. Take care. Till then, take care. Bye bye.